problem number 2. So, for problem number 2 of beam flexural analysis, we are going to determine the ASD of W360 by 110 subject to the unbraced length of actually binigay na yung unbraced length class and CB now na 1.0. What class that is the no? CB na 1.0 is the conservative. Okay, if we cannot solve the value of CB unless the loads are given, no? The beam load. So, dapat given yun para ma-solve yung CB. Wala, hindi na siya masosolve. Okay, so the properties given are HO. We need this values, no? Okay, so let's solve. Again, the first thing to do is to check width to thickness ratio lang. Okay, so for flange, that is from case 1, 0.38 or to V over Fy. That is 9 point something. And the lambda R is 24. Actually, kahit ito na lang solve mo, pag nakita mo na siya na greater than with the B over 2TF, kahit di mo na siya solve. No? Kasi magiging compact naman na yung ating flange. Okay, so compact flange. Next, case number 9 for web. Okay, 2.76 square root of E over Fy, 0.76 square root of E over Fy. So that is 90. Okay, so the web is also compact. So both are compact. So we'll be using here what code? So both are compact. So ito lang yung class, no? Both are compact. Sir, parehas dito by both are compact. That is for simply symmetric ulit. Okay? May nakita ka dito both compact, simply symmetric din yan. Okay? Parang kanina, no? Ah, um, may non-compact-compact, tapos non-compact-compact, di ba? Sinunod natin. Eh, di ba? Yung compact pang single symmetric lang yun. Pag double symmetric, NC yun. Ang tinutukoy sa 506.4. So, 506.2 ang gagamitin class. So, we have to solve the two limit state. What are those? Yielding and the lateral torsional buckling. So, let's look at 506.2. Yielding and then the lateral torsional buckling. Okay, lateral torsional buckling. For yielding, so that is just simply FYZ. And for lateral, actually, we did this earlier. Okay, lateral torsional buckling, we need the LB by R. So, one, gamitin natin the yielding and the lateral torsional buckling. Smaller of the two limits. Okay, so let's start with the yielding. So if this is just simply FYZX. So you have the FY. Okay, this is A992, that is 345 megapascal. Okay, and then CX is 2060 times 10 raised to 3, no? Then times 10 raised to negative 6. So that will be in kilonewton meter. Next is the lateral torsional buckling. We have the unbraced length given. Wala naman sinabi na bracing, no? Between the two points, no? Between the entire length of your beam. So, not mentioned yung ating value ng CB. Now, let's solve the LP. Okay, for LP, that is 1.76 RY square root of E over FY. So, this is from the NCP code. RY is given. And from the database. So, what is LP? In millimeters. LR. This is your formula. Okay, so, just take note, no? Na yung C is 1.0 for doubly symmetric I shape. Para mas mabilis si type 2, you store this, and this is just the reciprocal. Okay, so C, J is given, RTS is given. If not, use the formula from the code for the RTS, that is square root of IY CW over SX. What is CW? You can look, you have this formula for the CW. Okay, IY for doubly symmetric eye shapes. Pero yung CW kasi class, nandun din naman yan sa code. Yung formula, yung database rather. Nasa this database din yung CW. So medyo nasa dulo siya. Okay, this one. CW is 20.5. Pero, okay, times 10 raised to 6 siya. Okay, times 10 raised to 6. So, yan, no? If the value, if the properties are not given, so you can solve that gamit the code, the formula. Substituting, so the LR is 9456. So comparing the LB, okay, so LB is greater than LP but less than LR. So have to use these. Oops. So the exit. Okay, so we have to use this formula. LB is greater than LP but less than LR. Pagka LB is greater than LR, use this formula, no? Ang ito dyan naman yung pagkuha ng FCR, CP pi square T, LB over RT is square root ng 3. So, yan. So, lateral torsional buckling. Yun pa rin ang gagamitin natin formula. Same as problem number 1. But, you have to solve the MP. MP is the yielding moment or the plastic moment here. Okay, so you already solved that. And CB sabi, it shall be taken as 1 by 0. Okay, but do not forget the ano here, no? The times 10 raised to negative 6. LB minus LP over LR. What is the value of LR? This one over LP. So the lateral torsional buckling for MN is 580.007. For yielding, sabi ni Code, pili lang na mas maliit of the yielding and the lateral torsional buckling. The answer here is for nominal moment, 580. Nominal moment lang pala yung tanong. So, anyway, if you were asked to solve for the ASD and LRFT, di ba? Pag LRFT, times mo na lang sa 0.9. ASD, divide mo na lang on 1.66. Okay, so that's it, no? Both are compact, so madali lang siya. So, just follow the code. Okay, so let's have another problem.